Looking at how we were going to construct I-69 from Martinsville to Indianapolis, we were looking at ways where we could do things faster, safer, and in the case of Martinsville, with the ability to cut out essentially one construction season by being able to close the main line and get the main line improvements out of the way, that's essentially the essence of being able to work safer and faster. It'll be safer for our construction crews. It'll also be safer for the motoring public as they navigate Martinsville.
Hallandsås Rail Tunnel. In 1975, the West Coast Line in Sweden was having a lot of problems due to increasing traffic. Work began on expanding the rail system so that more train cars could travel safely along it. The Hallandsås Railway upgrade is one of the most important parts of this project. It, along with the new Halmstad-Ängelholm linking road, are supposed to make life easier for commuters traveling between Gothenburg and Copenhagen. The coming of trains that could cross the strait with both directions helped initiate the construction of Hallandsås Tunnel in 1992, with plans to open 3 years later. However, problems started almost immediately. Groundwater started seeping from the rock as soon as construction began, and in greater volumes than expected. The rock was too soft to allow for drilling equipment or even the first drill they tried to use. However, the original drillers led to more water leaks. These issues bankrupted the company and caused them to hand the project off. It has been reported that poisonous sealing compound was used during construction without any safety precautions taken. This led to livestock and fish in the area dying, as well as workers on the project getting sick. The company faced criminal charges for these issues, and construction was halted again in 1997. Up to that point, only about 3 kilometers of the 8-kilometer tunnel had been drilled. 8 years later, construction began once more. The construction of Hallandsås Tunnel was completed in 2015, 23 years after the project was initiated. New drilling practices and machines meant this part of the work went faster than before, but bedrock quality slowed things down in certain areas. The Swedish government predicted that the project would cost about 1 billion Swedish kroner, yet by the time it was finished, the total cost was far from what was originally projected. It ended up being closer to 10.5 billion Swedish kroner, which is 10 times the budget.